gagawa po tayo ng vision board for this year, 2020. I remember 2-3 years ago, gumawa ako ng list or parang New Year's resolution. So I made a New Year's resolution list, and for some reason, I don't even know where it went. It's lost somewhere here in our apartment. I don't remember where it is, but I did remember writing down the list that I want to accomplish for that year. This time, I'm going to make a vision board, and I use different types of material. Printed out some stuff from the library. I cut out some stuff from the magazine. I also used some sticker. To spice it a little bit up, I also added some string lights so can look a little bit more dreamy, I guess. At night when it gets a little bit dark, I can turn it on and it just look a little bit aesthetic with the string lights. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do be uploading daily vlogs and tips and tricks. I'm very active in my Instagram story, so make sure that you are also following me on my Instagram story. I believe we are now over 1,000 followers there, so if you are not following, I will go ahead and leave the link down below. But make sure to get your notification on button para hindi ninyo ma-miss ang mga upcoming videos and vlogs na i-upload ko. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for this project, I will be using a blank canvas, some used magazine or old magazine that I got from the Saver store. I'm also using a few of the stickers. Then I also bought some string light to add some lights. And then I have here some printouts from the library. So now that I have all of my cutouts ready, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and try to rearrange them accordingly. I'm trying to place them on each section so that they can kind of look put together. And once everything is set in place, I am going to start adding glue on it, and I'm going to go ahead and start sticking them into this blank canvas. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is add this string lights around my vision board so that it will twinkle up at night or in the daytime. So I'm gonna just go ahead and figure out how to add them. There you have it, guys. It definitely added some aesthetic appeal after adding the string light, and I'm very excited about it. So yeah, here it is. Hey guys, so explain ko lang muna kung ano ba yung what all these picture represents and what I'm manifesting for the year 2020. Just so that I'm basically putting it out there in the universe, what I want to happen in my life this year, what I want to accomplish, and what is going to motivate me to get all of these things come true. So I'm gonna explain the picture right here. As you can see, it's a picture of New York. Has been, you know, ever since I got here in the States 14 years ago, I have always wanted to see New York, and I've lived here in the US for that long and not even once that I've seen it. So I would like to see New York very, very soon. I would like to see the Empire Building and the vessel. I want to get all the way on top of the vessel and just take, you know, a picture there and just tell myself that this happens, I made it here. And then the picture right here, as you can see, this is the picture of the flag of Australia. My brother lives in Australia and his family. I have never seen my brother in also like 14 years or 15 years or so. So it would be an amazing experience to visit Australia, hang out with my brother and his family, because I've actually never met his family before. I just realized that right now. So I can't wait for that to happen. And so yeah, I put it here because that is one of my goals, to be able to see them and have them meet my family as well, my kids. And then the picture right here, this is the picture of El Nido, Palawan. My whole entire life, when I was in the Philippines, I've lived in Manila. Furthest, I guess, I've been to, I think, Zambales, Bulacan, Samar. I've been to Samar because my family's from Samar, so that's the furthest I went to. But as far as like all of these tourist places na makikita mo sa Instagram or YouTube, I've never really been to. The top of my list is El Nido, Palawan, because it just looks so picturesque. The water is nice and it just looks relaxing. So it would be nice to go visit there and relax and enjoy the nature. Here is the picture of Japan, because Japan has been my childhood country to visit. Ever since I was small, I've always dreamed of going and visiting. I just fell in love with the food, the culture, the nature, everything I could dream of. Being able to walk at 7-Eleven, because I love 7-Eleven. It's my favorite convenience store. I want to walk at one of the 7-Eleven and just look through aisle to aisle, shelf to shelf, what they have there. So I can't wait for that to happen. I'm very excited. So cross my finger, I visit Japan very soon. And then right here, there's a picture of like an amusement park, and it says here, Family Circle. Family Circle because I want to be able to have more vacation and spend time with my family. You know, go out of towns, even if it's not too far. I want to go more out of town with my family, especially the kids, because now that they're grown up a little bit, they can appreciate all of these things that we are visiting now. And then right over here, I want to still continue, you know, having that healthy lifestyle routine. Some of you may not know, I started my weight loss journey back in 2018, the beginning of 2018, and I was able to lose weight and have this healthy lifestyle. And over the last 3 months, I have not been very consistent. I haven't been to the gym in 3 months. I haven't really been tracking or, you know, kind of eating healthy. So I want to go back to that healthy lifestyle again, because I didn't want to go back to my old bad habits. Goal for this year is keep that healthy routine lifestyle. And then right over here, as you can see, I'm hoping for us family to be able to buy a home this year, because we have lived in this apartment for probably 8 or 9 years now. Even if it's just a really small house, that's just enough for all of us. I want to be able to have like a backyard at least, so we can have a barbecue, because I've always wanted to just pop the grill and just cook some, you know, grill some nights, some dinner nights. So but yeah, this is basically, you know, just be able to buy a house this year, and hopefully we're not going to be renting this year anymore. And then right over here, as you can see, guys, I'm so excited because this, you guys have no idea, I'm very conscious when it comes to my smile or my teeth. I need to get it redone, because I know for a fact that if I get a better teeth or if I improve my smile, I can be more confident on the camera. And that is actually one of the reasons why I don't really film a lot, because I get so conscious with my teeth when I'm talking on the camera. I feel like everybody is just paying attention to my teeth and not to whatever information I'm telling them. So one of my dreams is to actually go to this place right here, Juan Nadella Dental Lounge. It is a dental place, a very popular dental place in Cebu City. As you can see, the Cebu Pacific airplane is right here, because I am going to fly here and get a smile makeover, and I cannot wait for that to happen. This is like, of everything that I want to get done here, this is probably top of my you know, within the top, because guys, I know for a fact that if I can improve my smile, I will be more confident with myself. sometimes I don't want to talk to people, to be honest with you, because I just feel so embarrassed. I just feel like everybody's just paying attention with my teeth. You have no idea how conscious I am. Even right now, speaking to you guys and telling you guys that I'm conscious with my teeth, you have no idea. so I really want to get it done for sure this year. And then right over here is YouTube, because I want to be consistently uploading YouTube video, and I don't care about the quality anymore. I mean, yes, the quality definitely matters, but I guess being consistent is one of the things that actually plays a big factor when it comes to being successful in YouTube. Just being consistent with your content is what is going to make you successful here, because people are gonna keep coming back because you are sharing information, and as long as you're giving value to your audience, always gonna keep coming back as long as you're consistent. And right here it says believe in yourself, because guys, there is so many times that I just kind of give up on things, like give up on my dream. I just feel like I'm not good enough, or I'm not one of the best, or something like that. So for this year, I want to start believing in myself. I want to be myself and just be proud of who I am, and that I'm good enough and I'm capable of accomplishing things that I want to accomplish. And right here where it says do more of what you love, I really enjoy doing YouTube, to be honest with you, but as I mentioned earlier, sometimes my confidence really kicks in, and I just don't want to film anymore, you know, because I get super embarrassed. So I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all the things that I love, you know, do more of what you love. And then this one right here where it says be grateful. Sometimes we take things for granted. Sometimes I'm like that. I take things for granted. I am not grateful. Sometimes, actually a lot of times. So for this year, no matter what I have in life, I need to be very grateful and thankful, because if you're thankful and grateful, you'll be content and you'll be more happier. Here, as you can see, it's books and this little worm right here that's reading. I want to read more books because knowledge is power. I never read books. I never really like reading books, so I can gain more information and I can learn more. And then right here, PS, this is for Photoshop. I want to learn how to use the Photoshop, because I know for a fact that if I can have a better thumbnail for my YouTube, I can get more subscriber, I can have more people click on my video. So that is what I'm going to do for this year. Here is this year is going to be a lot of hard work. They said that if you want to be successful, or if you want to achieve your dreams or your goals, you need to sacrifice, no matter what sacrifice that is. And even if it's just getting probably 5 to 6 hours of sleep, or whatever it is that you want to sacrifice. Also, I just put it right here because that is going to be the plan for this year. We are going to hustle, hustle, and more hustle. And then right over here is a picture of school and the symbol of, I think this is Red Cross, and then the stethoscope, because this year I plan on going back to school. I'm going take all of my prerequisite to start my nursing school. So that will be my plan, and I am trying to start school when my youngest starts kinder, so she's gonna be full-time at school, so I will be able to start school, and hopefully I can graduate within like 3 to 4 years. So that is going to be my plan, and I want to be a nurse within 3 to 4 years, so able to graduate. So that's it, guys. That is my vision board. This is what I really want to happen. This is what I envision. I know that not all of this is gonna basically happen, but I want to work hard. I want to really put it out in the universe that this is what I want, and this is what I want to accomplish, and that I need to put, in order to accomplish all of this, I need to basically do this hard work, hustle, consistency, and believe in yourself. Pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Bye!